In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use starred notes, or bookmarks, as they're called in newer versions of Obsidian, so you can instantly access your most important notes, folders, and searches without digging through your entire vault. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening Obsidian and loading the vault you want to work in. You'll see your File Explorer on the left, where all your notes are stored. Now browse through your vault and select a note you use frequently, maybe a daily journal, a project tracker, or a reference document. Open it in the editor and take a moment to confirm that this is indeed a note you want quick access to. Keep it open on your screen because the next step is all about adding it to your bookmarks. Look at the top of your Note tab and you'll see a small three-dot menu icon. Click that to open the Note menu and review the available options. You'll see one that says Bookmark. Select it and Obsidian will immediately save that note to your bookmarks list. Now you need to open the Bookmarks panel to see where it landed. This panel is usually located in the left sidebar, but if you don't see it, you may need to expand it by clicking the Bookmarks icon or enabling it from the View menu. Once it's open, confirm that your note appears in the list and that the title is correct. Now comes the satisfying part. Click the bookmark you just created and watch your note open instantly. No more searching or scrolling. You can repeat this process for any other important notes you use regularly. Add dashboards, project plans, and reference materials the same way. But bookmarks aren't just for individual notes. Right-click any folder in your File Explorer and you'll see the option to add it to your bookmarks too. This is great for quickly jumping into a whole collection of notes. You can even bookmark a search. Perform any search in your vault, and while the results are showing, save that search as a bookmark. Every time you click it, Obsidian will rerun the search and show you fresh results. To keep everything organized, create bookmark groups. Right-click inside the Bookmarks panel and choose to add a group. Then drag related bookmarks into that group, for example, a work group and a personal group. This keeps your vault tidy and your workflow fast. You now have a powerful, custom shortcut system inside Obsidian that saves you time every single day. Thanks for watching and happy note-taking.